Unlocking Sleepy Secrets. Can't catch some Z's explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a common English phrase, can't catch some Z's. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means, especially when talking about sleep, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together and learn how it's used in everyday conversations. Can't catch some Z's is a colloquial phrase that means unable to sleep or having difficulty falling asleep. The letter Z has long been associated with the sound of snoring or the concept of sleep, often depicted in comics and cartoons to represent someone sleeping soundly. So, when someone says they can't catch some Z's, they're essentially saying that they can't find their way to sleep, no matter how hard they try. The phrase, catch some Z's, originates from the American English slang, where Z's represent the sound of snoring or the act of sleeping. It's a playful way to refer to sleep, using the visual and auditory symbol, Z, to paint a picture of someone in deep slumber. This expression captures the essence of sleep in a fun and relatable manner, making it popular in informal conversations and media. Using can't catch some Z's in conversation is straightforward. It's typically used to express personal sleep troubles or to sympathize with someone else's sleep issues. Here are a few examples. I've been so stressed with work lately. I just can't catch some Z's. How was your flight? Bet you couldn't catch some Z's with all the turbulence. She's been up all night studying for exams. Poor thing can't catch some Z's. It's important to note that this phrase is casual, so it's best used in informal settings among friends or in relaxed conversations. Can't catch some Z's not only reflects the struggle many people face with sleep but also showcases the creativity of the English language in expressing everyday concepts. It's a testament to how language evolves and adapts, turning a simple act like sleeping into a playful and universally understood expression. This phrase embodies the light-hearted side of English, where humor and common experiences merge to create expressions that resonate with people across different backgrounds. We hope this explanation helps you understand what "can't catch some Z's" means and how you can use it in your conversations. English is full of intriguing phrases that make learning the language both challenging and enjoyable. Remember, exploring these expressions not only helps improve your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the culture and humor behind the language. Thanks for watching, and we hope you catch some Z's tonight.